Hi, it's me, Sarah. Today I'm continuing with part 5 of my How to Filet Crochet series. Today is also a lesson in how to do a chainless double crochet foundation row, which you will find helpful in so many of your other projects. Sometimes when we start a project with a chain, we don't always know how many chains to make in order to get the correct length. With the Chainless Foundation Row, we create the chain and the second row at the same time so it can be easier to predict the length. You are also able to add on any additional stitches at the end if you miscalculate. To begin, make a slip stitch and chain 4 stitches. Turn your project around because we are going to work back into that small chain. Wrap the yarn over your hook. Put your hook through the 2 loops of the first chain that you made. I've put it under the back loop and the loop behind for this stitch as they are easier to grab. Put the yarn over your hook and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 1 loop. This makes the chain part of the foundation row. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Your first stitch is complete. You need to repeat this for each of the stitches that you need in your starter row. The first chain counts as a stitch. In part 2 of the series, we worked out that we needed 34 stitches. Again, we yarn over, put the hook in the front loop and the back loop of the chain portion of the previous stitch. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. Keep repeating these 4 steps until you have all the stitches you need. I like to count 1, 2, 3, 4 for each part of the stitches I go to get the rhythm. We will make 34 chainless foundation double crochet stitches. When we are done, we can count the stitches that we made to make sure that we have enough. I have one too many, so I can just pull it out. To get to the next row up, we need to chain 2 or 3 stitches. I prefer to make 2 chains here. You may prefer 3, depending on how tight your tension is. I find that when I make 3, the side of my projects bump out. This counts as the first double crochet for the next row. As we planned in part 2 of the series, we need 4 double crochets on each end of our project for the border. Once we have the right side of the border done, we can begin with the pattern of chain 2, then double crochet, all the way across until we have 4 stitches remaining for the border. The 4th stitch can be tricky because we are working into the top of the initial chain. If you twist your work a little bit, you can see the front and back loop of the last stitch, and you work your double crochet into both of those loops. Now you will chain up 2 to 3 stitches up for the next row, and repeat again for another row. In my next video, I will talk about variations of types of stitches that you may want to include in your filet crochet. Traditionally, the stitches are either filled boxes, 3 double crochet, or empty boxes, chain 2 then a double crochet. I like to add angled stitches to give me the ability to make some shapes in my work. If you enjoy my videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.